What's going on today, guys? This is Justin, and today we're going to be going over how to actually add a thumbnail to a YouTube video. You're going to want to make sure that you actually have your thumbnail saved into an easy place. Let's just say you do desktop, and let's just say you have a new folder. For this video, we're going to call it just today's date, which is 07/21. And you're gonna make a folder called 07/21, and you're gonna go ahead and put your thumbnail into that folder. The best way to do this is just to stay, the reasoning for doing this is just to stay organized, and just so that when you go to actually put it into your YouTube channel, that you're not actually putting in the wrong thumbnail. Because the last thing we all know we'd wanna do is actually put a thumbnail that's the wrong one, and then you're in big trouble. So the first thing we're gonna wanna do, guys, is you should, when you open up YouTube, you're gonna see all of these different videos. This is your home page. Now, whether you have YouTube experience or you do not, this is still gonna apply to you. This is basically the beginners kind of for idiots, how to upload a thumbnail for idiots tutorial, basically giving you no more questions to ask so that it's a very thorough tutorial. So this is gonna be your home screen, guys. You can see all my subscriptions here. Try not to judge me too hard, but at the end of the day, it is what it is. So from here, I actually obviously have a YouTube channel because that's how I'm making this video. You're gonna go up to your YouTube channel, you're gonna hit YouTube Studio, and from here what you're gonna do is you're actually gonna go into your channel dashboard, then you're gonna go into content. Now, content, this is where you're gonna wanna see all of your videos. So as you can see here, all of my videos, you can see all my views, and there you go. So from here, what you're gonna wanna do is click on the Analytics tab, and this is gonna bring you to a screen that looks like this. This tells you exactly what you are looking at. From here, you're gonna wanna hit the Details page. Details page basically tells you all the information about your video, and then the information regarding your description, title, like that. From here, what you're gonna wanna do is click on the thumbnail section. So what you're gonna wanna do is when you get to here, you're gonna see the video details at the top. I have that highlighted in blue just for you guys to see. And then you're gonna have a title, and then you're gonna have a description. And then from there, what you're gonna have is a thumbnail section down here. You guys should be able to see my screen and my mouse, but if you cannot, the thumbnail should be right below Add Chapters. I have TubeBuddy and vidIQ already loaded onto my browser, so you guys might see a little bit of a different format here, and that's okay. There's no problem with that. Essentially speaking, from here, what you're gonna wanna do is either click on Create Thumbnail. You can do either of these options. What that does is, we'll talk about that in just a second, but I wanted to stay focused on this, is here you can actually hit your thumbnail. I already have this thumbnail here, so I'm not gonna actually change anything. But if we wanted to go in here, we could actually change, as you guys can see here, I have an Elon Musk YouTube channel that I also do. But from here, you could go in here and go to desktop, and then go to your folder that you saved from today. So you could go to 07/21, and there would be your thumbnail. So just to do that one more time so you guys can see, you go to your video details, go down to thumbnail, click on the three little dots, then you're gonna wanna change, and then go to your folder from today, desktop, or wherever it's saved, and then go to your folder from today and then put it in there. Let's just say your name's John or Sandra or whatever it is gonna be, Sandra's thumbnail, you put it right there. Then you're gonna wanna double click on it, and then it's gonna go right there. So that's the easiest way to do it. In my opinion, that's number one way. You can also create a thumbnail, which is using the vidIQ, which essentially means you can actually come in here and drag the video until you find a picture that you like. I personally think this is a fairly good way to do it. The really big downside to doing it this way is you really can't edit it. Meaning you can like choose the desired background color for your thumbnail and things like that, but you can't really edit it to the point where you could in Canva. And I really like Canva because it allows you to kind of make colors pop. It allows you to add effects. It allows you to add text. So this would be a very beginner's way of adding thumbnails. Maybe you're at 1 or 2 videos, you haven't really started yet. Whatever it's gonna be, this is gonna be the best way to do it. So this is the number one way to do it, in my opinion, just because this is the most straightforward and easy. And this is after you've uploaded. So the next way, guys, is gonna be basically, if you have not uploaded it yet, is you're gonna go up here to create, and then you're gonna go to upload video, and then essentially you're gonna go to select file, and then you're gonna do, let's see here, we're gonna upload one of my other videos from my Elon Musk channel. And then basically from here, guys, what you're gonna wanna do is go to thumbnail down here, and then upload thumbnail. So from here, you're gonna do desktop, the 7/21, and the same technique. So just to rewind a little bit so you guys can see exactly what I'm talking about, is we are gonna go to, we're gonna exit out of this sucker, cancel upload. So we are gonna go to create, upload video, and then you're gonna select your file that you're uploading. And then from here, we're gonna go down to thumbnail guys, and then you're gonna click upload thumbnail, and then we're gonna go to desktop, and then we're gonna go to today's date, and then you're gonna select the John or Sandra's thumbnail. So anyways guys, that is the best way to upload a thumbnail. In my opinion, it really depends on which one you're most comfortable with. Hope this helped you guys, and we'll see you in the next video. See ya.